All right, my name is Dave DRESSLER. I'm the training director for the Minnesota Limited Energy JATC. I've been involved with the program since about 2002. Started as a nighttime instructor, became a daytime instructor, and now I'm the training director. This program has been around since about 2001, so started at the beginning. I was also in the field. I started in 1993, 20 years or so of experience in the field before moving into the office. So I've kind of started as an installer, and right now find myself as training director. So partnering with the Girl Scouts, it gives people who traditionally, these young girls probably wouldn't get exposed to this trade without some type of program to introduce this. So I value this partnership because we get to show off our trade to a whole group of people who, quite honestly, they have no idea this exists. Getting to young people before they have preconceived notions of what trades do, what they don't do, getting that information to them and showing them that this is a viable option to a standard 4-year, showing them that there are other options besides, again, the standard 2 to 4 year program. This is something you can do, earn while you learn program, and it's just continual year after year of getting in front of people will bring up a whole new crop of folks that realize that they can do this. I really do appreciate the fact that we can continue to do this. When talking about the limited energy trade, one of the things that I think people don't realize is you don't have to be 6'2", 250 pounds and big old hands to carry heavy things up and down ladders all day. The equipment we work with, the technology that we work with is actually better for someone who's not that big. The wires are small, a lot of the equipment is very precise, and having big hands, and that isn't always a benefit. So the limited energy trade is really a good option for anybody who's not that typical construction worker. And it's not always just you're gonna go to work and climb ladders and go through a construction site all day. There are folks that their entire job is they program, their tool is a laptop. So yeah, it's construction, but there are other aspects for our industry. If there's any takeaways from today, what I would tell folks that are interested in the trade, the girls that are part of this program today, keep following your curiosity. If you want to know, well, how does that work? Just don't, well, I wonder, Google it. How does that work? Watch a video on how it's made, how to fix it. Keep indulging your curiosity. If you wonder when you look at something, well, how is that done? Ask somebody. Look it up. You can always find, there's a million videos you can find on how things are made and how they work and how to fix them. Or if your parents bring home a new piece of something where it says some assembly required, be part of that assembly. Look at the instruction sheet. That's a really good way to just understand how things are put together. There may be different variations on a theme, but things are built the way pretty consistently throughout. So I would say that just try to stay involved. Anywhere where you can see something being built, pay attention to how it's being built. Asking questions is going to be one of the ways that you're going to find out information. So indulge your questions. If you have any interest in the limited energy field, go to our website at statewide.lea.org. There's information on there on how you can get involved in the program. We're always looking for qualified people. We want good people in our industry. So if you have any questions, anything, contact us. We'd love to answer your questions.
Hi, my name is MIRA. I've been an apprentice at the JATC for 3 years now and in the field for 4.
I'm Brianna. I am a second-year apprentice, but I've been in the industry for about 3 years now.
I love going to work, I love working with my hands, and I love seeing a project well done and knowing that I did that. I think it's definitely worth giving a shot. I know there's a lot of pressure, it feels, a lot of the times to go to college. This is absolutely, you get to go to school and you get to work, so you are earning money. You're not spending thousands of dollars going to college. Our books are very affordable, and a lot of times they'll help you if you can't afford that stuff. But yeah, you get to go to school 1 day a week for free. You get to be here and learn stuff. You get to work on the job and learn a bunch of stuff. And it's a wonderful thing. And even if you're not 100% sure, just come and check it out, and you can always decide that it's not your thing. College is a great option for a lot of people. It wasn't my thing, and I felt a lot better about not spending that sort of money on something that wasn't going to be a sure shot. And this feels a lot, both more fiscally responsible and a lot more responsible for my future.
The first year was a lot of math, which I really enjoy math. I love doing algebra, which is basically what we do. And second year, we're kind of learning more about systems and how they actually work, which is awesome because I'll learn something in school one day, and then the next day I go to work and I'm like, guys, I know why. I know more information. as you hear it, you're like, I know that, I've heard that before. Just being able to apply what you learn, it's really nice. If I would have known about this when I was their age, I would have started as soon as possible to do this. Once I started it, I love it. The more I do it, the more I love it. And getting to see the behind the scenes of everything and getting to see a building that's just wood, and then 2 weeks later, not 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks, but you're like, that building right there, I helped make it what it is. I helped build it, so that's definitely fun.
I am TRISHA DAHL. I'm a first-year apprentice. Been working in the trades for about 2 years now. And I had a passion for working with my hands, so I've had a friend that worked in the field, and he helped me with the application process to become an apprentice, and it's been the greatest thing I've decided to do.
Hi, my name is ONEKA Jenkins. I am an instructor with Minnesota Statewide Limited Energy, JATC. Currently, I am an industry readiness instructor and the first year instructor. I got into the trade because I grew up going to job sites with my dad, who was an electrician. So I've been doing that ever since, and it's been a good almost 2 decades that I've been doing this. It's been fun. I've gotten to do a lot of stuff. Started off in the school, the very school I'm teaching at. I got to be a general foreman and run jobs. I was given the opportunity to be a union rep for our local. And then I was given the opportunity to be an instructor, and that's where I've been ever since. And for those young ladies or any women of any age, this is a good trade to get into. It doesn't matter what age you're at, whether you come out of high school or if it's a new career change for you, or maybe you were at a stay-at-home mom and you want to do something. This is a heck of a trade to get into. It's nice to be able to prove to people that this isn't just a male-dominated industry. This is an industry for everyone, and it doesn't matter if you're male, female, short, tall, it doesn't matter. This is for everyone, and if you want to do it, it's a great job to get into.